Hello, good day. This is Angelo Santos, one of the support here in Groove Digital. And for today, I will show you how you can save a block element on the page. So saving a block will help you, for instance, if you want to have a similar or the same header on all of your pages. So like this, for example, or the same footer, or you want to have a specific block to your page. So to do this, I will show you. You need to make sure that you are selecting the black element. So how to navigate to the black element? If you go click on a specific element here, there will be a page hierarchy or also called as breadcrumbs. So as you can see, I click on this element and this is the image. The red name is the one that is selected. So this means that the image is inside this container, which is also highlighted in dark red, and this container is inside this layout 2 by 2, and then inside the container, and the most parent um, element is the block. So each area has a block element, so like this one and also this one. So you need to locate the block section in order to save that block and the components inside it. So once you locate the block, so let's say for this example, I am on the navigation. I will just simply click on this block, and now it will select the block section, the block element. Now I have the option here, which is this star icon. And if I click this, this will say save block. And this is for information. Choose a category to save your block to. Once saved, you will find your saved blocks in the design block section. So once I save this block, it will be on the block section and the design blocks. So you have the option to create a new category if you want to differentiate and have your save blocks on this category. So in my case, I already created a category which is my save blocks, and I will just simply click save. Now I will just wait for the green confirmation on this area that will have this message. So once you have this green confirmation, I will jump on my other pages, like for this page 2 for example, and I will go to the block section and I will find my category, which is my save blocks, and you will see that I have now this specific block. And if I drag it here, you will see that I have now added this same navigation bar on this page, and I can add it to multiple page. And also if you want to delete your save blocks, simply double click the element and you will have this confirmation if you want to delete it or cancel. It will work either double clicking or triple clicking. You need just to click it multiple times to enable to see this confirmation. So I hope that helps and have a great day everyone.